Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on mastering the module pattern in JavaScript, an essential skill for any web developer looking to create clean, maintainable, and scalable code. In today's digital landscape, JavaScript remains a cornerstone for building dynamic web applications, and understanding the module pattern is crucial for encapsulating code effectively. This pattern not only helps organize your code, but also prevents global namespace pollution, leading to fewer conflicts and a more robust codebase. Whether you're working on a small project or a complex application, mastering this pattern will greatly enhance your development process. So, let's dive in and explore how the module pattern can transform your JavaScript coding experience. At the heart of the module pattern lies the ability to encapsulate code into distinct, manageable units. This is often achieved using an immediately invoked function expression, or IIFE, which returns an object containing methods and variables. The beauty of this pattern is that it allows you to control what parts of your code are exposed to the outside world, making it a powerful tool for managing scope. Imagine your code as a toolbox. Each module is a separate compartment containing specific tools, and you only open the compartments you need at any given time. This ensures your tools remain organized and easily accessible. Additionally, by keeping certain methods and variables private, you safeguard your code from unintended interference, much like keeping your prized tools under lock and key. In larger applications, this approach is invaluable. Consider an e-commerce platform with modules for user authentication, product management, and order processing. Each module operates independently, yet together they form a cohesive application. By modularizing these components, developers can focus on individual parts without disrupting the entire system, facilitating easier updates and maintenance. Let's take a closer look at a practical example of the module pattern in action. We'll examine a simple project that demonstrates how to encapsulate code using this pattern. In our project, we have two modules, user module and product module. These modules are designed to manage user information and product details respectively. We'll start by looking at the user module, which is defined in a file named usermodule.js. This module encapsulates the functionality to create a user with a name and email, providing methods to access these properties. Here is the content of the usermodule.js file, which makes use of the module pattern to ensure that user details are managed privately while exposing a public interface for creating users. Now, let's see the module pattern in action within our application. When the app is loaded, you'll notice two sections, one for the user module and another for the product module. In the user module section, we demonstrate how to create a new user named John Doe with the email johnexample.com. This information is displayed dynamically on the page, showcasing the module's ability to manage user data effectively. Similarly, in the product module section, we create a new product, a laptop priced at $999. This product information is also displayed on the page, illustrating how the product module encapsulates product details. By observing these modules in action, you can see how the module pattern facilitates code organization and encapsulation, ensuring only the necessary parts of your codebase are exposed. In conclusion, mastering the module pattern in JavaScript is a vital step toward writing efficient, maintainable, and scalable code. This pattern empowers developers to encapsulate code, manage scope, and maintain a clean global namespace. As you've seen, the module pattern provides a structured approach to building applications, allowing you to focus on individual components while ensuring they work harmoniously together. As you continue to hone your skills, consider how the principles of encapsulation and modularity can be applied to your projects. Experiment with creating your own modules, reflect on the structure of your code, and embrace the opportunity to enhance your JavaScript applications. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the module pattern. We hope you feel inspired to apply these concepts to your own coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding. Be coding.